folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network, and today we've got a special video for you guys. We're gonna trim these overgrown bushes here in the front yard. We're gonna try to make quick work of these because I'm using the Shear Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shear.
The first thing that I noticed about these hedge trimmers is that when I picked them up, they were super lightweight. They only weigh 1 kilogram, which is approximately 2.2 pounds.
Looks pretty darn good, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit of fine-tuning, but yeah, not too bad. Stick around to the end because I've got a judge with a critical eye that's gonna come out here and score me on my craftsmanship.
This handheld mini hedge trimmer comes with two types of heads, one for hedge trimmers and the other for lawn shears. It features a quick switch design for easy head replacement and is adjustable. As far as the blades go, I found the blades to be very sharp and durable. The blades are made of SK5 steel, which is a high quality, high carbon steel with high hardness, which I found critical while shearing around my stone edgers.
Okay folks, so this is the test right here. Troy's gonna score how well I did this trimming on these hedges, but I think the Shear overall did a great job.
I like the top very well on this side. I score it about a 83.
8.3? Ooh, that's a good score.
8.3.
A 6 is okay. 7, yeah, you're looking at pretty good. 8, you're looking at very good. 9 is just off the chart. 10, nobody gets that, right? So I did pretty good. What was the score again?
8.3.
8.3. The Shear Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shear is amazing. It's lightweight. It weighs like 2 pounds. Anybody can use it.
Really?
Yeah, it's super lightweight. Feel that. Feel that in your hand. That's lightweight, folks. So I got the job done really fast. We're totally pumped about this product. Go down in the description below, click on the link, get your Shear Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shears today. We're out of here. Until the next video, folks. See ya.
Bye.